Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Apple HomeKit for EV charger command controls, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize Apple HomeKit for EV charger command controls, begin by ensuring your Apple device is updated to the latest iOS version. Open the Home app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on the plus sign in the top right corner of the screen. Select Add Accessory from the drop-down menu. Make sure your EV charger is powered on and in pairing mode. Follow the on-screen prompts to scan the HomeKit setup code. This code is usually found on the charger itself or in the user manual. Once scanned, your charger will be detected within the Home app. You'll then be prompted to assign the charger to a specific room. Select a room or create a new one based on your preference. After room assignment, customize the name of your EV charger if desired. Tap Done to complete the setup process. Next, navigate to the Automation tab at the bottom of the Home app. Tap the plus sign to create a new automation. Select a time of day occurs if you want to schedule charging. Choose your preferred time and frequency for charging. Alternatively, select an accessory as controlled if you want to trigger charging from another device. Follow the prompts to finalize your automation settings. Return to the main screen of the Home app to see your EV charger added. To control your EV charger, tap on its icon within the app. Use the available commands to start or stop charging. If integration with Siri is desired, activate Siri and say, "Turn on your charger name." Repeat this process for any. Your Apple HomeKit is now fully authorized for controlling your EV charger. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.